Minus 5 plus 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 over 5. 0 times 5 gives us 0 and 0 over 5 gives us 0. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right. And same applies to addition and subtraction. Let's now rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have subtraction, addition and multiplication operators present in the numerator, and then we also have a big fraction separating numerator and denominator. According to the rules, we must solve multiplication first because it has the highest priority in this expression. So we'll solve this part first. 5 times 5 gives us 25. Our expression simplifies to minus 5 plus 25 over 5. Minus 5 plus 25, that gives us 20, and 20 over 5 gives us 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.